MIDI stands for Musical Instrument Digital Interface. MIDI controller is a device that sends MIDI data to other musical instruments like synthesizers and digital audio workstations. Unlike a keyboard, which is a standalone musical instrument, MIDI controller usually needs a computer with appropriate software installed to function. For high quality audio, the computer output has to be fed to a good audio system. MIDI controllers are used in a wide range of music production and performance settings, from live electronic music to studio recording. Modern MIDI controllers connect to computers via USB interface, while older ones may connect using MIDI DIN connectors. DIN connectors were standardized by the Deutsches Institut for Normung, the German Institute for Standardization.